Hi everybody, this is Gregory once again and welcome to my talk show, Touching Hearts, Transforming Lives. I just thought I wanted to do this quick video because certain things came to my mind which I thought I could share it with you people and perhaps you could get the benefit of it. As I was thinking today this morning, I just felt in my spirit that some of you who are listening to me today, some that I just feel that you are stuck in life. You are somehow at the crossroads of your life and you have been in that situation for quite some time. Even in fact, for some of you, you have been there even for years and you are absolutely stuck and you don't know how to move forward, and you are at a loss of what decision you should make, and you are at the crossroads of your life and you're wondering what to do. And I want to say two quick things to you guys, and I trust this will be of much benefit to you. I trust that you are determined to get out of this place where you are stuck in, and to move forward in life. I trust that's your mindset, and you want to move ahead in life and not stay over there, and you want to just kind of bulldoze yourself out of that situation, move ahead in life. I trust that's what is in your mind, and so I would like to suggest rather two things that I think you could try and you could do. Number one is find a friend with whom you can talk. Okay, just find a friend with whom you are able to talk and share, and just talk. Don't find a person who is going to be judgmental about you, who is going to give you advice and do this and do that. Why don't you do this? No, just find a friend with whom you can talk. Whatever is there in the mind, bring it out, and bring it out by sitting physically with a friend with whom you can trust, who's close to you, and tell him, I just want to talk to you. I don't want any suggestions. I don't want your advice. I don't want you to tell me what to do. I just want to talk to you. Is there a friend that you have in your life with whom you could do that? I think that's important. Find a friend, sit down with him, say, give me 1 hour. I just want to talk to you. When you are talking to your friend, this is the most important thing. When you are talking to your friend, talk about yourself. Don't talk about somebody else. Don't say, my husband is like that, my wife is like that, my children are like that, or my parents did this to me, my boss is like that, my friends are like that. Don't focus outside. Let the focus be you. Talk about how you feel. Talk about what you're thinking. Be honest and talk about the mistakes you would have made. Be open to talk about this is where you went wrong. But let the focus of your conversation be you. Talk about what you learned. Or talk about, I did this mistake and this is what I learned about myself. I did this thing and this is what I learned about myself. The focus should be you and not somebody else. Because this is very important. I realize, the power of your life is in your hands. Remember that. The power of your life is in your hands. When you start telling yourself, this person did that person did that, my wife did, my spouse did that, my friend did that, my parents did that, what you're doing is you're giving away the power of your life into somebody else's hand, and you are allowing them to tell you how you feel about yourself. Avoid that. Let the focus of your conversation be you. Even if you have made mistakes, admit it and say, I think I made this mistake, but this is what I learned from this mistake. I think I made a wrong decision, but this is what I have learned in this wrong decision. Let the focus of your life be on you and not others. Retain the power of your life with you. Don't give it into other people's hands. It doesn't belong to them, it belongs to you. So the first thing is, find a friend, talk to him or her. When you're talking to her or him, talk about yourself. Let the focus be on you. Retain the power of your life with you. That's number one. Second thing is, take action. Okay? Remember, take action. Nothing will happen if you don't take action. Ask yourself, in this particular situation, what action should I take? What are the 3 things that I will do that's going to change my state of mind? that's going to change my feeling. Remember, when you take action, what you are actually doing is you're releasing the power of your life into the situations to change. It is very crucial for you to understand this, please. When you take action, positive action, think about areas where you think, I need to change the way I look at this. Maybe you're a spouse, maybe you're a partner, and you're going to say, this is what I'm going to do to change something in my life. This is how I'm going to talk to my spouse. This is how I'm going to behave with my spouse. This is what I'm going to tell my spouse. This is how I'm going to have the perception of my spouse. You take action. The power of your life is in your hands. When you take action about your life, you are releasing power into the situation to change and to change yourself too. Very, very important. So think of three things. What is it that you're going to act upon? Not think, write it down and say, this is what I'm going to do from today onwards. Not tomorrow, not after a few days, today. This is what I will do. I'm going to change this action of mine. I'm going to change this mind. This is how I'm going to behave. This is how I'm going to train my mind to do. Do it. Because when you do it, as I said, you're releasing power into the situation for it to change. I trust this has been able to, you've been benefited by this, and I hope you'll find the strength to do that. And if you find any changes, I'll be really happy to hear what it is, and to, because I also need to be encouraged into how things are changing in your life, how things are transforming in your life, because that's my purpose. So if you feel you want to connect with me, you want to share things with me, I'm open. Message me on my inbox. I'll be happy to connect with you. Till then, have a beautiful day. Enjoy life. Be happy and be joyful.